video, you will learn Procreate gestures that will help you speed up your sketching process. Hi everyone, I am Harini. I am an artist and designer. Welcome back to the next series, and if you haven't watched the previous series, then watch them first so that you can understand the basic interface, tools, menus and how to create a document with custom setting. So today I want to show you how to set up the gestures that will help you speed up your drawing process in Procreate dramatically. Also, I will show you the most important default gestures for working with the canvas. Moreover, I have gotten so many requests from Procreate new users around the world who want to learn the basics of Procreate app. So I wanted to show you these super quick techniques that you can learn and draw your sketch in no time. Procreate is a digital art app that is great for all level of artists from beginning to advanced. That said, you will learn in the video Procreate gestures interface. All you have to do is to invest some time in Procreate education to grow your skills and make the most out of the program. The tools you required is iPad, Procreate app and stylus.
Before we begin to draw, we need to set up the gestures. Select wrench icon on the top left menu and tap here Preferences and Gesture Control here. On the left, we see all the tools which we can connect to gestures. I will show you now the settings that I have that work best for me. Assisted drawing. This is a very useful tool which we will use often. It's attached to double tap on the Apple Pencil like this to activate and deactivate. The last one is the eyedropper tool which lets you get any color from the illustration. I have connected it on the finger touch and hold the action and 250 millisecond delay. You just touch and hold the finger. You apply this color to brush. Next quick shape tool that helps us make a smooth line or do a perfect circle. It's bound with the draw and hold action with 130 millisecond delay. After you draw a line, you just tap in the end in order to release the Apple Pencil and the lines move automatically. I will show you later. Full screen view is set to 4-finger tap action. It will hide the app interface. In copy and paste section, I recommend enabling free finger swipe. By setting, when we have a part of the illustration selected, if we do a 3-finger swipe gesture on it, the quick menu will show up. Now go to General and activate Disable Touch Action. Setting it will let you draw with a brush only using an Apple Pencil. So hand touch won't draw something on the screen accidentally. Also activate Rotate with Pinch Zoom setting. This is a really comfortable feature. Then click Done. Now I'm gonna show you some gestures in action. The most popular gesture is pinch to zoom in and zoom out. And rotate the canvas and also move the canvas by holding and dragging with 2 fingers touch. Also you can pinch any place on the canvas. Now I will show you another important gesture. Draw a few lines with the 2-finger tap gesture. We can undo the last action, and with the 3-finger action we can redo the action that we cancelled before. Also, if you did a lot of actions and want to cancel them, you just tap and hold 2 fingers to undo all the actions, or 3 fingers to redo the cancelled action. If you do a 4-finger tap, the main menu will hide, but we can still draw on the canvas. 4-finger tap again to show the main menu. That's all for today's video.
So hopefully you liked today's tutorial. If you did, make sure give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and definitely hit that bell for notifications so you can get alerted when I post new videos like this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are you making use of this series? Is it useful or your kind of flow of work in the comment section for me. I can also found in other social media platforms. Check the free downloads under the freebies sections in case you are interested to download. I will link all that in the description below. Definitely have a look. Also do your project homework that is currently displaying on the screen right now. Good luck, keep creating. Until next time, I see you.